Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to show you how to make this super easy pumpkin cream cheese muffin. Take flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt and whisk it together until blended. Then in a separate bowl, take brown sugar and white sugar, pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree, oil, vanilla, eggs, and whisk that all together until blended. Now combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients and use a spatula to go ahead and fold them together. You want to go ahead and fold them until they're mostly combined, but if there's a little bit of dry spots there, that's totally okay. Now lightly spray a muffin tin with cooking oil and divide the batter into all the cups. Once done, make the cream cheese filling by combining cream cheese, sugar, flour, and vanilla. Go ahead and mix that until it's smooth. Now take some chopped pumpkin seeds, some sea salt, and some turbinado sugar and sprinkle it around the edges of the muffin batter. Then spoon some of the cream cheese filling in the center of each muffin. Once filled, go ahead and bake. You can find the full recipe and all the details on my blog, eatthelove.com.